Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses to check in case your ABS brakes are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. All the ABS brakes fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood. It's right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips. One will be here on the right side and one on the opposite side here. So what you want to do, you want to press this clip together and lift it straight up to unlock it, and you will do the same thing on the other side as well. So press and lift up, and once you do that you can remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this white piece right here, it's a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. First fuse you want to check is fuse number 13. It's a 40 amp fuse responsible for power to the ABS pump. Second fuse to check will be at the bottom right corner right here. It's a blue 20 amp fuse responsible for power to the ABS module. Hopefully one of these fuses will be burned out and that will fix your problem. If it's not burned, then the most common cause for ABS not working and ABS light on, it's actually a bad or faulty ABS sensor or the ABS sensor wiring, which is nothing too expensive to fix. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.